What if I told you that your next big investment doesn't need thousands of dollars, but just 100? Yep, $100. The price of dinner for two. Could be your very first step into crypto. Even if you're starting from zero, this isn't just another crypto hype video. This is your blueprint.
Why crypto? Why now? Let's be honest. Whether you believe in it or not, crypto is here. It's growing, evolving, and changing how we think about money. 10 years ago, $100 in Bitcoin would have made you a millionaire. But here's the deal, we're still early. You didn't miss the boat. It's just getting bigger. The best part? You don't need to be rich, just curious and willing to learn.
The $100 crypto plan, step by step. All right, let's turn that $100 into your first crypto investment, safely, wisely, and with a clear plan. Step 1, pick a reputable platform. For most countries, I recommend platforms like Binance Coinbase Kraken, Bybit, or mobile wallets like Trust Wallet or Exodus. Step 2, create and verify your account. Takes 5 to 10 minutes, have your ID ready. Step 3, deposit or buy crypto. Use your debit, credit card, bank transfer, or even Apple Pay or Google Pay. Depends on your country. Step 4, build your beginner portfolio. Here's a simple, low-risk starter allocation. 50% in Bitcoin or Ethereum. 30% in strong altcoins like Solana, Polygon, Avalanche. 20% in smaller trending projects, optional. Only if you DYOR, do your own research.
Avoid these common beginner mistakes. Alright, time for some tough love. Here's how beginners usually blow their $100. FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't chase pumps. If something's flying, it's probably too late. All in on meme coins. Fun? Yes. Safe? No. Start smart, not lucky. No exit plan. Always know what you're aiming for. Profit target? Stop loss? Decide before you invest. Ignoring fees. Some platforms charge high fees for small trades. Use limit orders when possible. Pro tip: don't try to get rich quick. Try to get smart fast.
Tools every beginner needs. You don't need fancy software, just smart tools. 1. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. Track coins, rankings, news. 2. YouTube, like this channel. Don't waste hours scrolling TikTok. Follow real creators. 3. Portfolio tracker apps, like CoinStats or Delta. Track your gains, losses, and set alerts. Plus learn the basics. What is market cap? What is staking? What is layer 1 versus layer 2? Plus stay safe. Use 2FA. Don't share wallet keys. And remember, not your keys, not your crypto. So, what's stopping you? You don't need to be a tech bro or a day trader. You just need to start. That $100 in your pocket? It could be just another Amazon order or your first step toward financial freedom. Be smart, be patient, learn, earn, and grow.
Drop a comment if you want a video on the top 3 coins to buy with $100 right now. Hit like, smash that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who keeps saying, "I'll start later." Because later is already too late.